Hello. Thank you guys for coming. Should I just start talking?
Yeah.
Jude and I are very, very excited. You guys are the first group that gets to see this thing. And, you know, there's a big, huge contribution by everybody in this thing. So I'm so excited that people finally get to see all the good work.
Really appreciated it. And it's just remarkable. We were here, this time last year I was here and I flew home late on the Sunday to get on set on time for my director. And I can't believe we're finally here showing it to you all.
This is what happens. The baby comes out eventually.
This is the birth. And you're all welcome.
So we will visit afterwards.
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know when you guys are going to pee. I'm so sorry.
It's not all 8, by the way.
No, like just 2. So it'll be 2 hours and then we'll chat.
Enjoy, everyone. Audience. Who wants to see more?
Who wants to pee?
Lower cross legs.
No, I do. We'll keep it short.
I had a question for
Well, yeah, getting to play the guy that I don't usually get to play, and fortunately, Jude and Zach and Kate were equally excited about that notion, and you know, getting to play opposite Jude. You know, Jude and I had never met, and I'm so starstruck sitting next to him after watching that. He's so great in this, isn't he? You know, truly. I just knew that he seemed like a great guy when you watch him on stuff, you know, and then as we started Zooming and emailing, and we really didn't meet face to face until about a week before we started shooting, right? We had dinner in New York. And it's just easy all the way through. I mean, they did the hard part, you know, writing all the stuff down, filling blank pages with compelling stuff like that. Firstly, Jeff, thank you for having us here and making us a part of this this part of the festival. And as we were saying backstage, you know, what's so nice to bring projects to Toronto is, you know, there is a vibe and a feel, a warmth to this festival that is unlike other festivals. Not to disparage them at all, but you know, you guys are uniquely wonderful, and you know, it's you owe some ownership over the process. You end up giving a bit more into your contribution into the process than you normally would have just out of obligation. You know, no one gets fired for giving 75%. That's kind of what most people do at work. But if you really love your job and you love where you work, you might give 100%. And what you've got here is everybody in every department giving 100%. And as Jude said, you know, if you stay with it, like, this show just keeps coming, and it's so freaking great. I mean, what you guys were able to do with escalating these stories, and every department matching their escalations and their contributions too. It just so proud of what everyone did with this, and a lot of it has to do with the atmosphere on set, and that was just a great leadership team, allowing everybody to be their best.
Yeah, just the smartness that you talked about, you know.
Yeah, right, yeah. It probably would have been a better looking beard if it was a fake one. That's the best I could do. That's about 6 years of growth. Right. This is 2 years. Yeah, you know, I just figured this guy probably doesn't spend a lot of time in front of the mirror, so he doesn't bother shaving, and so I just didn't shave for, I don't know, probably about 9 months. Wasn't it, honey? Something like that. And same thing with the hair. You know, like, if you're gonna have long hair, you're gonna want to go in there and do some things to it. That was just a big, heavy, you know, weight of, you know, slop. Yeah, I using stuff that's glued on, and it sucks. It's itchy, and we shot this in, you know, in the teeth of the summer, and that would have been even more uncomfortable, and it would have looked fake too, a little bit. You know, we're going.